Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Supercell ID on Heyday. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Heyday application, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you download Heyday? You can get Heyday on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing Heyday, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where all you need to do is to follow through step-by-step processes to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic home page where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Heyday. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to connect Supercell ID on Heyday. Now, you need to connect Supercell ID on Heyday because there are a couple of features that you need to do, that you need to explore, which cannot be explored directly in the Heyday app. And that includes changing your avatar, adding friends. All of those things can be done right there through Supercell ID and not directly on the Heyday app. So if you want to connect that, from this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on that. And you have these extended options, which include edit mode and settings. Click on settings, and that takes you here where you have music, sounds, language, credits, change file name, advanced settings, and privacy policy, terms of service, help and support. So at the top corner, you have the Supercell ID, and now it says it's already connected. But if it's not connected, right there, that button that says connected, if it's not connected, you're going to see login rather than connected. So go ahead and click on login. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to the next window where you're going to be asked to enter your login details for Supercell ID. Or that's if you already have login details, that's if you've already created an account. Or at the bottom, you're going to see the sign up feature. So you can just go ahead and click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, then you can create a new account if you don't have an account already. So once you create a new account, just go ahead and verify your email address through a code that's going to be sent to your email address. Once you input the code, that's it. It has been verified and your Supercell ID is going to be created and connected successfully. So that's pretty much how you can connect Supercell ID on Heyday. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.